Hello, and now I will show you how to apply a leave using our system. So we're going to log in, enter user ID and password, enter. So click the leave form. As you can see, you can now monitor your leave credits info. So as you can see, you have 10 days of sick leave. So you're going to apply a sick leave. Then start time, date and time. For example, this coming March 7 and 8 a.m. So in date, so exactly one day, March 7 to 5 p.m. 5 p.m. So March 7, 2017, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And don't fill up this form because this is for SIL and the leave reason sick and the substitute teacher. If you want to have a substitute, just click this drop down and choose the names of the substitute teacher. For example, Jane Lopez and subject IP 400 and start time from 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. to 7 from 7 p.m. then 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So add and now we will going to submit this form. So just click submit. So record has been successfully saved in our database. So it's okay. And now you can monitor your leave requests. Just click the leave records. So as you can see here, uh, there are two leave requests because I already applied last time. So just click review details. So as you can see, oh, you can monitor the level of approval of your request. As you can see, your the level head office and the academic affairs office, HR office, and the president's is already are already pending. And also you can review the details and as you can see, the substitute details all is pending is already pending because Jean Lopez uh, is not already approved. So let's skip this one and let's go to Jean Lopez and let's log into Jean Lopez. And we're going to log out. So we're going to log in the substitute teacher. So ID 003 and 123 and enter. So this is the account of Jane Lopez and Lopez. Click substitute request. So as you can see, Jane Lopez is requested by Alvin Bulasito. Excuse me. So click review details, and this is the leave form of Alvin Bulacito, then June Lopez, and approve. Then as you can see, it is approved. It was approved. So skip this one, log out, and let us check. So ID 123. This is account of Alvin 123, and enter. Let us check. Let us check the status of the substitute request. So review course, then click this review details. So as you can see, Jen Lopez is already approved. So let's go to the level head. Skip this one and log out, and we're going to log in to the level the account of the level head. So since this is an IT department, so we're going to log in the IT head. So ID 00 and then 123 and enter. So leave request. Let's look for you can also search here. So Alvin, so as you can see, there are two records. Then click review details. So as you can see, Jean Lopez is already approved. So since this is the account of the label head can modify or remove the substitution. Just for example, if it is complete on the teacher's schedule, so just click override substitution. It will avoid the substitution. So I'm going to approve. Click approve. As you can see, it's already approved. Then skip, and let's go to the academic affairs account. So BP 001, then password 123, and enter. And the request, that is Alvin. You can search here Alvin. So review. As you can see, the label head is already approved. Then approve. Then let's log out and go to the assistant HR. So HR 001 and 123, and enter. In the request, and you can search here Alvin view details. As you can see, then verify, because the assistant HR is only to review and verify the request. Then click verified. As you can see, HR office is verified the request. So skip this one, log out, and let's go to the HR head. HR head in 123, enter. Excuse me. And leave request, and search Alvin. So as you can see, Alvin Bolsito, verified by HR and review. And this is the account of head of the HR, the one to decide if with pay or without pay, or approve or disapprove. So it's approved. So as you can see, a notification has been sent. So this application will receive a text notification alert from the system that notifies regarding on the status of the request, that the HR is already approved. So Alvin Bolacito will be receive a text message that the leave application is already approved by the HRC. So okay, and skip this one. Now log out, and we're going to log in the president. So ID 001, and the password is admin123, enter. So leave request. So Alvin. So you can approve the request. Actually, the president is optional about the leave request. If the teaching personnel is applying a leave, if the teaching personnel uh, will apply a leave, the approval of the president is not required. But if the head will apply a leave, the approval of the president is required. So we didn't need to approve this application, but if the president want to approve this, it's okay. So example, you want to, if you want to approve, then click approve. So that is already approved. Oh, this is one application. So this is sorry. I think this is Alvin. I think it's better to search for Alvin. So review. So this is all the process on how to apply a leave. So I'm going to log out this one, and that's all. Thank you for watching.